Welcome to our snooze.
And with the clapping in al
Shoot. I even said like I should sit because you just don't like me swaying.
No, I don't.
Okay, well, it's December, so everyone's talking about the holidays.
Silent night. Not bad for a Jew.
That's it's pretty good.
Holy night.
Oh boy. Come to Texas Mattress Makers and Youval will serenade you.
You got that
in
right.
Christmas songs.
Now, you got that.
Just silent.
Serenade. I will serenade you. You'll have nightmares, but I'll serenade you.
So today we want to talk about the gift of sleep. A lot of people are going to be talking about holiday sales and how you should consider a mattress as part of your purchase. And we actually agree with those people because there's nothing more important than sleep. Mm-hmm. And so we wanted to kind of cover like, why is sleep so important? So some people know they have issues with sleep because they have pains and aches when they wake up, but sleep affects things that you don't even know about. So like we wanted to get into that. What is that?
Well, it affects, besides the physicality of you, it affects your mental attitude. It affects your appetite. It affects mental / how would you say this? Your anger gauge.
Yes. When he has a bad night of sleep,
that's everybody.
I walk away.
Yes, but think about it. You didn't sleep well, right? You get up, you're groggy.
Yeah,
right?
Everything's just wrong.
That's right. You're angry. You're upset. Every little thing just pisses you off.
Actually, they have it said you woke up on the wrong side of the bed.
That's exactly right.
Maybe you were tossing and turning all night. You didn't even realize it.
Exactly. Then you have to go to work. Most people have to go to work. What is your performance? Subpar. Why? Because you're tired. Because what happens in your sleep, most people don't understand. It's the only time that your body gets to rejuvenate itself from a cellular point of view. Mm-hmm. 2, it's the only time your body actually, from a cellular point of view, it's like an army, you know? All your cells get there together and they figure out, well, we have an infection here or something wrong here, and we're going to concentrate there to make this human feel better.
So your immune system is actually working and doing...
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that is affected by the lack of sleep. So sleep is not just what most people think. You know what? At the end of the day, we get on that rectangle, whatever size, twin, full, queen, or king, and then everything will work out. It's not the way it works. And in today's world, you're bombarded with mattresses and mattresses and mattresses. And this is the best thing since sliced bread, and we only have one and it fits all, and this is the best price.
A lot of information that doesn't
too much
really,
information.
Yeah.
I've been doing this for 40 years. If we had a customer come here and say, Youval, Rachel, here's the mattress I found, whatever brand it is, let's sit at the computer and figure out how you can explain to me what's inside. Mm-hmm. There's no way on God's green earth I can explain to you what's inside that mattress. Why? Because the information that you receive is not specific information. It's a lot of scientific words, it's a lot of pretty words, it's a lot of frou-frou, but it's not words that define the actual product that's in your mattress.
And it's also confusing, like when you think about coil count, gauge of wires and things like that. Whenever you say that to me, I'm like,
exactly.
I don't know what you're saying.
Okay, so if you don't know what I'm saying, and this is not to be funny, and you work here, right? So can you imagine just a person that doesn't?
Yeah.
Now, person that wants to buy a mattress, here's what they want, and rightfully so. They want the best mattress. They want the most comfortable mattress. And they don't want to pay an arm and a leg for it.
Yeah.
Okay? And that makes all the sense in the world. The problem is that if you wanted to buy a pair of shoes, you wouldn't go to a mechanic.
No, I really like these boots.
I know, but you didn't get them at a mechanic.
No.
There you go. So if you want to buy a mattress, all right, don't go to places where people don't know what they're selling.
They're just regurgitating information they were told.
I love that you said that. Please say that again, because I can't pronounce that word.
They're just regurgitating.
Yes.
I really want to hear you say it. Information that they were told.
That is exactly right. All right? We don't, the words, because I can't say it, okay?
They're marketers. They're marketers, but they're not experts.
Right.
And so that's the difference. When you come here, we actually can show you
We want to show you.
Yeah.
We want you to be informed. We want you to be educated, and we want you to feel the difference between product A, B, C, and so on and so forth. We want you to understand the definition of firm, which is really not firm.
But
firm
supportive.
is supportive. We want you to understand the difference between soft
or plush
or plush.
or cloud, soft like a cloud.
Exactly, which we have all.
Yeah.
But you need to understand why this feels this way. Second, we need to understand, why do you want something that is firm? Do you know that most people, when they want something firm, it's because they have something so unsupportive at home, they automatically think, if I go to the other extreme, I'm going to be fine. No, you're not. No, you're not.
Yeah.
It's not the way it works.
Yeah.
Okay?
Because if you actually are sleeping on what we consider to be very firm,
Exactly.
you really need to like
Trust
firm.
me. You want firm?
We've got firm.
We'll make you firm, but it's going to kill you.
If
It's
you
gonna
don't
hurt.
belong on it, yes.
Exactly. The bottom line is, we're the only ones in the city of Houston, Texas, the metropolitan area, that actually know every component that is in the mattress. Right now, there's a gentleman that is visiting us, right? His name is Danny, and I've known Danny since he was a pup. I love saying that because it makes me feel like I belong to Texas. Only in Texas you say pups, okay? Now, this gentleman works for a company called Leggett & Platt. Leggett & Platt is the single largest manufacturer of bedding component in the world. American company out of Carthage, Missouri. We visit once a month and we talk about components and the differences between the components and why they do what they do, and we purchase from them things that we know work for the consumer, not things that we think will sound good from a marketing point of view.
Yeah.
So when you come here, we actually show you the differences. We want you to feel the differences, and we want you to understand the longevity of each component. The mattress behind you, okay? The spring in the mattress behind you is rated for 18,000 pounds,
It's the quantum.
is the quantum, per cubic foot. Don't say nothing. I know that just threw you off to the left field and your mind is going crazy and I see
Math.
smoke coming out of your ears. What it means is,
Laymancy terms.
very good, 12 inches by 12 inches by 12 inches high is a cubic foot. Okay? You can put 18,000 pounds on a cubic foot on that
So
coil.
basically, you're never gonna.
Ever.
Gotcha.
You won't live long enough. No one will live long enough to
I like
come
that term.
close to abusing the coil.
Yeah.
But that sounds great, right? Oh, I gotta go get it.
No, but it's not made for
Someone
some
like
people.
you
Yeah. Can't break the
Possibly,
coil.
possibly will use it because of the way you're built. You're female, your height, and the way your body is. Someone like me would literally suffer on that coil because the way I'm built, male, taller, smaller bone, okay? I can't sleep on that mattress. So I don't want people to think, oh, that's the best coil in the world, let's go buy that.
No, but we
Bye.
have the options here and the expertise and the knowledge.
Very good. Every human being is built differently. Every human being. Hence we have 38 different types, and we can make any type we want because behind us is the factory. Not a warehouse where we buy from somebody. We buy all the raw materials and we make everything here.
Well, and that's important to remember when you are thinking of your holiday purchase because, yes, a mattress is an investment. And if you want a good mattress that's going to last, you are going to be spending money. But buying from the factory, buying directly from those that make the mattresses means that we don't have any markup. So that's
correct.
important
No,
because
no, you're absolutely right.
because
This
when we say
mattress-
that you're going to be spending money, it's the money that you're going to be spending is at least
This
half.
mattress, the Florence.
Yes.
If you were to purchase this mattress outside this building,
Which you couldn't because no one makes these.
that is
mattresses.
correct, which you couldn't. These are, I wouldn't say proprietary because they're not proprietary. We're just smart enough to know that we need to use them for certain customers. This mattress in a king size would cost you nothing less than $15,000+. $15,000. It's idiotic.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe
Okay,
put like
but-
gold in the mattress.
But here, okay, it will cost you somewhere around, I think, I'm excited. I love it. I'm choking on my own brains.
like 4.
About $4,000. That's a lot of money, $4,000. But if you know that you have a mattress pretty much forever, unless your own personal comfort level changes,
Yeah.
that's less than a cup of coffee. That's less than 50 cents a day. 50 cents a day. Tell me something you do every single day for at least 6 hours and it costs you less than 50 cents a day. Don't answer that question. You're not old enough, you're not bright enough, you're not mature enough to answer that question. There is nothing.
attacked me in
Absolutely
so many
nothing.
ways.
Don't talk when I'm talking. Yes, I did, because I want people to know that your generation needs work.
Yeah.
Now, my
But-
point is,
It's an
we
investment,
have,
but it's not.
it's an investment. You want something for your guest room because you have people coming in? We have, and we will tell you, don't overspend. Spend
Yeah.
this amount of money. You have something for a child. These are the mattresses you should buy for your children unless there is a special need. Anything else that you want to buy for your own personal use, we have from hard as a rock to soft as powder with
This is why I do marketing. Soft as powder.
powder,
Cloud.
cloud, you know, soft as a cloud.
No, but and $4,000 in the scheme of things for your health, your well-being, your overall
It's not a
physical,
lot of money.
mental, not at all.
No, it's
So
really not a
so
lot of
that
money.
it's an investment, but it's a good investment.
Right? If you want to buy a quality mattress for a period that you know what it is, and you want to know the components and the price, you come to Texas Mattress Makers. And we have actually 3 locations. We have the one that Rachel and I are in, which is East Downtown at the factory, right? Just to give you an idea, it's 8 acres with 170,000 square feet of manufacturing. It's a little bit big.
And you can see the manufacturing.
And you're
like as
welcome to
well.
come and see, okay? And if you want to meet Rachel, we will make sure that
Sure,
you
I'm the
do.
one they
She's
wanna
only
meet.
here Monday through Friday because Saturday and Sunday she's got to eat sushi. But we won't talk about that. Now, we have a store in Katy, which is on the north side of I-10 off of
Right near In-N-Out. I know you guys know where In-N-Out
right
is
near,
because it's
that's
been
right,
all
we're,
over the
we're
news.
advertising In-N-Out. I can understand.
It's
why
on East
people
3rd
will stand
Street.
in
It's-
line, in a car, block traffic to have a hamburger. I mean, like, what the hell is wrong with you people? But
from
that's
California,
a different
it's
story
bad.
and a show. Who cares about California?
Oh, gosh.
We're in
Okay.
Texas.
Okay, moving
And anybody
on.
that moved from California to live in Texas,
And then our third
you're welcome.
location,
Your brain. The Woodlands.
the Woodlands. It's right
Yes.
near the iFly, actually across the street from the mall.
Right, and there are no trees around the store, so you could actually see it.
It's on
because
the-
in
it's on the
Woodlands,
feeder.
lots of trees. Didn't see no monkeys there though, but lots of trees.
Oh well, we can change that.
Don't touch me.
And we also have our online store, and you can email us. When you email us, you're talking directly to me, and if I have any questions, I go directly to him. So you're taken care of.
Amen.
And please enjoy the holiday. And as you can tell, we have a lot of knowledge to share with you, and we make it fun. We'll actually talk about that in the next Snooze News.
What's that song? Frosty the Snowman?
Okay, and at this point, bye. Really wish you got that.
Just
Yeah.
let us know.
Let's do the southern. Let's do the southern today. How you doing?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
Fine, thank you very much.
I'm wearing my cowboy boots.
Oh my God, Lord
Know why I
have
came
mercy.
out with boots?
Yeah. Look at you. You shined them.
No, I didn't. I can't lie to you. I know I should have gone with
Really?
it. Which
Why is it when I talk you interrupt me?
Because I'm thinking because of the
Don't
plethora of knowledge that you
The
have.
what?
We got off.
The what?
topic. The
You told me I can't say bad words, and you use those words.
I said plethora.
What is that?
Not a bad word. Please do not counteract with a bad
We
word.
had a perfect session going on here. It was serious. It was to the point, and you had to come up with that. What do you
I
say?
was just plethora.
Plethora.
There
How
are
many
things that
dollars
you
do you
make.
spend a year
I don't
on
know.
sushi? Frosty the Snowman.
Thank you.